Is there any other words to replace goodbye? Well, I think that's a very good question. So today we're going to talk about the other ways to say goodbye in 3 types. The first one, informal way. The second one, formal types. And the last one is the slang type.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights.
What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are an English learner who wants to improve your English to the next level, well, consider subscribing right now and open the notifications button so that you will get notified once I upload my newest video. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to say, what is the informal way to say goodbye? Well, the first one I will say is that I'll talk to you later. I'll catch you up later. For example, I'm sorry Ben, I have an emergency right now, so I'll catch you up later or I'll talk to you later. Yeah, some kind of things like that. You can try to play with it. Okay? Next, you can say that, oh, sorry Ben, I'm gonna take off. Or I'm gonna head out to somewhere else, for example. I'm gonna head out to the restaurant right now because there's an accident right now. I have to rush there as quick as possible. People will understand that and just end the conversation right away. And also you can say, oh, I'm gonna jet, the jetpack, the jetpack. I'm gonna jet. Yeah. Okay, the next one I think is very common and a lot of people often use it, which is see you. See you soon. See you again in the next month. See you again next week. Or see you next time. It actually sounds more natty for me, Yeah. Okay, next. Which is also very common because I often heard it, a lot of YouTubers say it at the end of their videos, which is bye from now. At first time I thought it's like bye from now, but actually it's not. After I do the research, it's actually shown that it's bye for now, right? Bye for now. Okay, the next one is actually inclining towards the America, which is have a good one. I watch a lot of YouTube videos, especially Americans. They say when they have a conversation with strangers and they want to end a conversation, they will say, all right, okay, so yeah, have a good one. Oh, have a good one. Yeah, you actually put in emotions instead of just saying goodbye. It's like, oh man, it's like you are the first time learning English. Have a good one. Perfect. Okay, the next one. You can say, I'm out, or I'm off. I'm out of here. I'm out of this play. I'm out of these conversations. You can say that, I'm out. Okay, now let's talk about the formal way to talk about goodbye. The first one is you can say, oh, have a nice day, boss. Or have a good vacation, have a good holiday, have a fruitful weekend. When you talk about weekend, holiday, vacation, you can say, have a good vacation, have a good weekend, have a good holiday to your boss or the person who is admirable and respectful. Next, this is actually quite towards business. You can say, I'm looking forward to our next meeting if you are talking with a boss. For example, Mr. Tan, I'm looking forward to our next meeting. Or you can say, Mr. Tan, I look forward to our next meeting. That's great. Instead of just saying, oh, I'll catch you up later, Mr. Tan. Maybe it was not very respect to the people you are talking about, you are chatting about, So instead you say, oh, I'm looking forward to our next meeting. That sounds more formal, right? Isn't it? Cool. Yeah, next. I think this is people not very often use it, but you have to understand it, which is until tomorrow, until next week, until next weekend, right? Until tomorrow, which means that I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you until tomorrow. If they say until next month, it probably means that I'll see you next month. That's it. Just that kind of like short form, Yeah. Okay. Next. This is very common right now because during pandemic we all stay at home. A lot of people will say, oh, stay at home, stay safe, take care. Yeah. take care is also a kind of words that you can say to replace goodbye, but it's kind of like formal ways. Yeah. Okay, next one. If you've been not seeing your friends for a long decades, you can say, oh, it was nice seeing you again. Or you can say, it was nice seeing you. Well, that sounds more a bit formal, but of course you have to show respect to your friends since you've not been seeing him for like decades, right? Okay, the next one is not that awful, I would say. It's very simple, which is good night. Good night. Like if you are having a conversation at the night time and you want to end the conversation, you probably don't say, oh, I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, yes, you can say that, but I think most of the people, they will say like, oh, good night. Because, you know, people will directly go to hit the stack right away after the end of the conversations, you know. Yeah, alright. So let's talk about the slang way to say goodbye. I'm just going to talk about one type of slang ways to say goodbye, which is very common that you must heard about other YouTubers or anyone else with these words, which is peace. Right, you heard right, peace or peace out, right? That's it, guys. Wow, there was a lot of content right here and a lot of knowledge. Wow, I was very enjoyed. If you learned something so far, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and open the notifications button so that you will get notified at the first place once I upload my newest video. Maybe you are a serious person who wants to really improve your English. You must subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so I'll catch you out in my next video. Peace.
And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine.